talking all that shit. Nigga, pull the trigger. You with the fucking gun. Nigga, you run this whole back. Try to fuck with that fucking kid. Hit you, shot up in your head. Hit you in your fucking wig. Nigga, show that you real dead. Try to fuck with that kid black. Nigga, fucking get you smacked. Fucking with that dirty cat. Who fucking with that dirty cat? No, that's that nigga bang. Nigga, talking, get you smacked. Fucking with the kid black. Nigga, you ain't ready for war. Cause coming through like out of 4-4. And I was right through your front door. You try to fuck with the boy, got 30 hoes. I don't give a fuck about your team, cause I'm a nigga that come through right before your ice and cream. Niggas talking all that shit, you just chasing the dream. I'm living it. 4-5, just believe I'm giving it. I'm swagged out. 4-5 coming through when the band's all swagged out. Niggas talking all of this when that bag out. Just believe me and my man's all swagged out on 106 and Park. Niggas talking all that shit, I'll leave you sparked and stinking in the park. Can't fuck with the kid cause I'm doing it big. Niggas talking a lot of shit, I shoot you right in the head. Hit your ass up with the infrared beam that's red. I don't give a fuck, I better make sure that you dead. I hit your ass up, you better chill. Shit stay real. Fucking with the kid, it'll get your ass killed. Best to believe I will kill at will. I don't play shit, put the thing to your grill and hit your ass up with some motherfucking steel. That's real. I had a bad bitch to make all your niggas say, ew. You don't wanna fuck with that nigga. 4-5, nigga, when I pull the fucking trigger, make sure I kill you and your fucking nigga, your whole fucking team. I'm coming through right before your ice and cream. I don't think that shit real fucking sweet, but you best believe you talk shit. I got a 4-5. It's a nice fucking treat. Hit your ass up, burn your ass with the heat. Best believe like Miami if you think it's sweet. No, just chill. Number 3, Wayne. Niggas talking shit, but you sweet like lemonade. Leave for the fall back in the game, cause I don't spend 2012. It ain't the fucking same. Niggas just best believe about to change the game. I could be a buyer and a seller. I got game. Niggas talk shit like EA. I got game. Best believe I'm about to rise to the top of fame. You still falling back, chilling in the kitchen, chilling at the mom's crib, chilling at the pop's crib. Best believe I'm coming through. I'ma shoot your kids. Ball in your head. Make sure you blow off your wig. Make sure you dead. Hit you with the empty in the bed. The kid hot, man. Better fall back. Niggas talking shit. Best believe you get clapped. Best believe everything I say is real rap. I don't really fucking play, cause I got a K and I will spray. Make sure that your body will lay. Best believe that I'm gonna catch a bite today. Is the kid real nasty? Best believe that my gun real fucking
you not done yet?
I had you running like a dog named Lassie. Nigga better chill, cause I hit you with the stuff. Everything that I say out my mouth is real. Best believe I'll play shoot and fucking kill, and I will kill you at will.